What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, that subscribe button down there, press it, it's free. Why not? There's no harm. We are heading down to John's garage to have a look at his 20 valve FX Corolla. Very rare car in Ireland, fully restored. We're going to have a look around the car. My missus made him stickers there. We're in the trusted Statsia, and yeah, we're going to head down there now and have a look at this car and get these stickers on it and make it 100% finished. See you there. You get some before, after. Even the seats. I remember the seats when you made Dell. Dell had one of these. Rocket. He sent his up to Corolla place up in Mead and done some amount of work to it. Lovely interior. It smells nice in here, John. You must have cleaned it.
It's been washed once or twice. No smoke and nothing in it.
Yeah.
There's the rain now, isn't it?
Look at them stickers. It's finished now, we have stickers. Proper wheels, aren't they?
Yeah.
And look, all inside done as well. Minter. New shocks and springs. Something fell over. All new discs, new pads, new calipers, new suspension. Everything is minter. And then the business end. Yeah, the engine bay looks cracker. It's nice. Even the heat shield, polished up. Looks well.
Well, all that be coming out again.
For what?
I'm putting the aircon back in.
Are you putting the aircon back in?
Yeah, I had a fella in Mullingar, has it been?
Deadly. No, it looks good. Decent job done on her. She looks proper. She looks proper, and then there's that rusty bin over there. No, she turned out really nice. I remember when it was in our garage, like, and it was in pieces. And now it's not. Yeah, this is Johnny's 20 valve FX Corolla. Rare car in Ireland. 93. What did he do them up to 95, wasn't it? Or 94? Immaculate. The stickers look well. So yeah, he's been building this car the past 3 or 4 years. He was doing it while I was doing my K-Swap Civic. It's also this bad boy, fully restored by the boys as well. And then Reapers, Rockbox. And then the Roydy Elf needs a bit of work, that car as well. But there's something under the tarp there. I don't actually know. What's under the tarp? Starlet. Oh, I love it. But yeah, Reaper done a load of work to his rusty bin. Look at that. That's cool. He was saying he might bring this tomorrow, but it's no reverse. So we're going to that show tomorrow and Reaper wants to bring this, but he has no reverse. It's not engaging in the gearbox, so no bueno. But yeah, the Roydy Elf. Love that car. And then that bad boy. Yeah, the boy has done a few videos on this and they put it up on the Facebook, so I'll try and link it down in the description below, see what we can get on that. And the Roydy Elf also. But yeah, Reaper's rusty wagon is looking not so rusty anymore. He still needs to get some of the interior done, but dashes in, steering wheel, all the pedals, everything works. The gearbox works, all the gears work, but can't find reverse, unfortunately. Sounds like a Golf. Yeah, looks good. The test. Here's the test. Does it sound like a Golf? No. Sounds like a Toyota. Definitely. No, it looks good. Is she on the button? It's tucked. Like most of the ladies in town these days. Tucked. Their Mickey's tucked in between their legs. Sounds sweet. Quiet, isn't it? The twin pipes. Every time I see the twin pipes, it's just... Yeah. It's a sexy car. And look at that. No funny lights. Absolute sweet as a nut. That's why. That's why it's still running. It's Toyota. Toyota nipples. Yeah, sounds sweet. It's quiet. So it's fully rebuilt, isn't it? The whole engine, like everything got done. It's minty mint. Savage. Your throttle sticker fell off. They sound lovely. What do they rev out to? Like 8.5, 9? Yeah, 9, yeah. Red line's 9. Fucking hell. Oh, I love that smell. Mmm. Yeah, that's Johnny Boy's 20 valve Corolla. He built a good one. It's a really nice car. It's a lovely colour. What's the colour? Do you remember? Is it like a Milano red, is it?
3PO Super.
3PO Super Red. Yeah, you had to get it because it says Super in the name, that's all. But yeah, peace out, Johnny Boy.